Welcome to the channel. If you've tried clearing your Opera browser history, cookies, even reinstalling the browser, but the history still won't go away, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you a quick and effective method to completely delete your Opera browsing history for good. Let's get started. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog. Now type this path, appdata Opera software. You'll also find this path in the video description for easy access. Press Enter, and a folder will open. Inside, find a folder named Opera Stable. This folder stores everything: your history, extensions, saved passwords, and settings. To fully reset Opera and wipe the stuck history, delete the Opera Stable folder. This will remove all user data, so backup bookmarks or passwords if needed. Once deleted, open Opera. And that's it. This method clears everything, even when normal deletion fails. Like and subscribe if it helped. More useful browser tips and fixes coming your way.